Sorry, Daddy. I accidentally broke the bathroom towel bar. So someone in my house thought it was a good idea to hang from this towel bar. In this video, I'll show you how I replace it. I measured the old bar and it seemed to be about 2 feet. That seems to be a standard size when you look for a bar online. I bought this 24-inch replacement bar on Amazon for about $6. You can see the link in the description below to get the same one. Trying to put this bar in out of the box didn't quite fit. It was just a little bit too big. But no worries, you can measure your inside width and then take the 2 ends of the towel bar replacement out and then mark and measure where you want to cut the towel bar so it can fit inside the towel bar holder. I then used a saw to cut the towel bar replacement to size. Now you're ready to put the 2 ends of the towel bar replacement back in. And hopefully now it should fit into your towel bar. The 2 ends are spring clips that help hold it in and keep tension. Let's see if this works. Success. The replacement towel bar is holding towels. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It would really help the channel a lot. And if you're looking for a replacement, see the link in the description below. Thanks.